So hey guys, welcome to my new Roblox video. In today's video, I'm gonna play the easy card OB with low gravity and speed card. So let's begin the tower. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna take this speed up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is this? Oh my gosh. Wow, this tower is very good, but I'm not able to play this IDKY, and very easy. Okay, so I'm going up now, and I'll just jump. Just walk here and jump right in. Oh my gosh. Please do not have me. Thank God. I'll just take this speed. This is so easy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I did it. Thank God I did it. I'm almost to the yellow if I do not die. So yeah, thank God I didn't die. And here I am to the yellow ones. I just take this speed coil. Oh my gosh. I think I'll die. I did not take the low gravity. Oh my gosh! I almost did it. I don't care what. Oh my gosh. I don't care what is happening to me in this game today. Oh my gosh. I'll just jump maybe. Now I'm gonna take the speed coil because that isn't good for jumping. Going back. Oh my gosh. So let's just walk here. I'm gonna take this speed coil. Sorry, low gravity. Oh my gosh! I don't know what is happening with me today. What is this? Okay, I can't read this. The another language, I can't read it. Okay, what will happen to me? Back! Oh my gosh, this is so good. I got it. Okay. I'm just gonna take the low gravity. Okay. And top, yeah. Okay, will I fall or no? Yeah, I didn't fall. Yay. I made it to this. Okay, I think low gravity is too much for this, so I'm gonna take the speed up. Yeah. will I die or no? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. So as I know the kill option, what is the function of this option, so I'll just take it back because it's good. It's good. I like it. It's so good. It's super good. If you're playing the cotton tower, so you should try that. And this tower is even so easy, so good. But IDK, which line we have to go, so I'm just taking the low gravity to jump. And the good thing and the advantage, of this tower is that we can jump. And we can jump high by taking the low gravity. It's so good. I love this tower. Okay, now I'm going to take the speed coil, or we can take any, or we can even cancel if we don't need. Okay, speed will work for now onwards. But IDK, what will work later? Maybe now speed coil, sorry, low gravity is going to work for now onwards. Oh my gosh, I thought I was done. Oh my gosh, no, please. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna die. I think that is not powerful, not much powerful, because I just touched it many times, but I didn't die in this game. So here I see, will I die or no? IDK, because... Oh my gosh, thank God I didn't die. I survived. Oh my gosh, I survived here. First time. Oh my gosh. So, how many points I have? 80. Where am I, by the way? Okay, I have 100. IDK, what everyone only has 100. Maybe this game just gives us 100. Oh my gosh, I was just gonna die. But thank God the light is not much powerful. And here I jump! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I can't believe this game is doing like this to me today, because today I'm... Oh my recording! Please, I'll just take the kill option, okay? Because now it's the new button. I thought of that by taking this option. What will happen to me? But I'm still here, this option. Okay, so no problem for that. Let's just take the speed so I could speed up so I could go more faster. Oh my gosh, now I'm going to take the low gravity because this is the most difficult level. Because I have not played this level so many times. So I decay how to play that. And if there's no low gravity in the tower, so I don't know. I leave this tower. I'll leave the tower if it gets something like this. Because it's so hard. Okay, now here. Oh my gosh, will I die? Oh my gosh! No! Don't do like this to me. Oh my gosh, please, for God's sake, no! It's so high, guys. For colonies, do not use any low gravity or something. But now I need the low gravity because otherwise I'll leave the game. Okay guys, I'm just gonna jump here. And here I'm jumping! Oh my gosh! The time is less. There's no time in this tower, but I have to make max 15 minutes recording. So guys, here I'm going. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I just made it. Oh my gosh. No. Please. I want this to happen with me again and again. Because guys, this is happening again and again with me. What I'm safe here. Please, I'll just try this. This is the first time I'm doing this. Yeah, I can do this. Okay, now I'm not gonna leave the game if this comes. This is a little bit. Oh my gosh, interesting, yeah? Right, I told you what will happen with me. I'll just take the low gravity for that. Okay, Now I will leave the game if it comes. Not this game, any other game if there is no low gravity. Otherwise, I would play with that. If there is low gravity, it's almost 10 minutes recording from now onwards, and only 5 minutes are left for this video to end. I'm going live, and if you can't see me live, so most of the people cannot see me live because I have a different way of playing live. So I hope you are seeing me live. Most of the people are seeing me because there were 31 participants. Now I have 31 participants seeing me live. It's telling me. And if you can't see me live, so please comment me so I could change the option of going live so you all could see me going live. Oh my gosh. And in live you can even see my screen and my face. So that's how I go live, by showing you everything. Everything what I'm not. For now onwards I'm up, but IDK what will happen to me later. Oh my gosh! Thank God. So guys, if you can't see me live, please comment, as I told you before, to comment me, because there's some problem, there's some issue for me to go live like that way, but now onwards for you all, I'll just go live by the next another way. But now there are 32 participants. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I didn't knew this will happen to me again. And 4 minutes are left. I'll just take the speed coin for now onwards. This is a funny sound. Like this it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was the reason I was not playing this game for 3 days. 3 days, it was my favorite game. I always used to play this game, but now I don't play it because this level is the hardest one. Oh my gosh. Oh my. IDK where to go, so I'm just gonna skip this by chomping hard. What is in shop? IDK, your coin. I have 100 coins. IDK, how? I didn't get more coins. I'll just see. So, IDK, what to do in shop? Because it's so light there. Oh my! No! I couldn't see. But maybe I will use the kill option because I'm so down now. I don't want to play it again and again. Again and again and again and again, guys. Oh my gosh, I just died. Guys, before the last time I was so high in sky. But now, I can't believe that this is happening with me. With me. Okay, guys? Maybe yellow one. Yeah, because that is the old one from these. Oh my gosh. Swish. Dash. Well, maybe I'll just use low gravity in this level. Because, oh my gosh! Where's my low gravity? Just scared me. IDK, what is on the top of the tower? What is HD? IDK, what is that? Okay. I don't need this HD. Admin. Guys, the time's last only 1 minute, so guys, only 1 minute is left, and I'll make it the max 15 minutes recording. We don't have much time, and I have to go through this. Guys, what's time left? Oh my gosh. So guys, if you like today's video, give a big thumbs up to this video and like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, the most important. Bye guys!